This expansion on Medicare is something that I wished would have been proposed sooner. But look, they're tackling the issues that they needed to. They came out of a pandemic that Donald Trump had left a mess for, an economy with supply chains that were broken.
During an appearance on The View, Governor Tim Walz was asked how a Harris-Walz ticket would differ from President Biden's policies. Co-host Sara Haines noted many Americans believed this ticket could bring change. Walz was asked to name a policy he would have handled differently from Biden.
I think focusing on this care economy, the two things that the vice president proposed that I hear everywhere, especially in rural America, is this issue of affordability on child care and the ability of seniors to get health care, protecting that.
Vice President Kamala Harris had previously struggled to identify differences in policy.
Would you have done something differently than President Biden during the past 4 years?
There is not a thing that comes to mind in terms of, and I've been a part of most of the decisions that have had impact.
She emphasized vice presidents usually don't criticize their presidents, which helps maintain a strong working relationship. Walz highlighted Harris's focus on affordable childcare and healthcare for seniors.
We have ambulance deserts in large parts of America, Minnesota included, where you can't do that. And I think she's really leaning into these issues that impact people personally and then doubling down on whether it's housing or child tax credit. Those are pretty big differences.
He also pointed out, while Biden called for Medicare expansion to age 60 in 2020, the Harris-Walz campaign aims to include in-home care as part of this expansion.
She's her own leader. She's got her own path, a new way forward. And I think she sees in Minnesota that we have similar values, whether it's providing kids with meals at school. You know, we're putting meals in our schools and trying to get guns out of them. That seems like a good thing, and that's what she's doing.
Both Biden and Harris have prioritized child care affordability in their proposals.